In today's video, I'm going to show you how we made $5,264 just in 7 days promoting Amazon affiliate product using Pinterest. This method is perfect for beginners and I'll break it down step by step so you can start earning commissions with one of the most powerful free traffic platforms out there. First, I'll show you guys how we can find the best Amazon product that people are already searching for. Then I will show you how we can create eye-catching pins that drive massive traffic to your affiliate links. Next, I will show you how we can scale this method and this strategy to Next, I'll show you how we can scale this strategy to make consistent passive income with Amazon affiliate marketing. If you are ready to turn Pinterest into a free traffic goldmine and start earning with Amazon, let's get started. I made this commission just in 7 days and I'm gonna share with you guys. As you can see over here, this is my Amazon affiliate account, okay? And I made this commission just in 7 days. I will share with you guys everything you need to succeed in this business. Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you. So let's get started. So first, for people who want to start making money with Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So step number one, go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. It's super easy and simple. Click on the first link over here. You will be directly in this sign up process page. Click on sign up and you will be again to this page. Click on create your Amazon account. And here you go. You guys can see the sign up process to Amazon affiliate marketing is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first and last name here, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. Super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing. This will be your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. Should see home here, promotion, tools, reports, help. You have here bounties, you have commission, you have samurai, and so on. What you will do next, you just need to choose a profitable, good product that you will start promoting using Pinterest to earn commission. You cannot promote any product that you like or that you think it's gonna work. This business doesn't work like this. You need to do research and to see what's trending and which product people will be interested to buy from you on Pinterest. Okay. Next step, you guys need to create business account with Pinterest. So step number two, go to Google and search for Pinterest and click on the first link. They will ask you if you want to create personal account or business account. Please choose business account. After you finish, this will be your, let me show you. This will be your home page. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest, okay? It's super easy and simple and you should know that Pinterest has a lot of traffic. Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly and if you are following those steps that I'm sharing with you, okay? So here is what you will do next. After you finish your sign up process with Pinterest and set up your Pinterest business account, this will be your home page. What you will do next, you will go back to Google and you will search for Pinterest trend, okay? Search for this website, Pinterest trend. Click on the first link and you will be directly in this page over here. Let me show you. You will be directly to this page, to Pinterest trend website. So we need to do research to see what's trending, which topics, which products people are searching for on Pinterest, okay? So what we will do, we will scroll down. So first, you guys can choose which country you want to target. You want to see what's trending in this country. You have United States, Canada, Italy, Spain, Germany, and so much more, okay? I'm gonna just leave it in United States. I will scroll down and here you go. You will find here top trends in United States this month. This is what's trending in this month in United States on Pinterest, okay? We have this product, nails, we have a recipe idea, outfit ideas, vision board, and if we click here, we can see more, okay? We have a hairstyle, wallpaper background. Okay, I'm gonna click here to see more. Winter nails. Okay, let me see. Wallpaper. 2025 vision board. Winter outfit. Cool sunglasses, tattoos, idea. You guys can see we have also this one. This one, I think this one is good. This one is trending. We have also this one, but let me check more. You will find the keyword that are trending. You guys can see we have this one, Valentine's Day. I think this one is just it's coming. Okay, trend prediction available. Let's check this one, guys. I'm gonna check this one, Valentine's Day. Okay, and here you go. Just click on the keyword that you want to see and you will be directly in this page. So what you will do, click here on date and choose past 3 months. Okay, this AI tool from Pinterest is predicted the future. So this AI is predicting that this keyword will still trending, okay? Will still go up. You guys can see the graph here about Valentine's Day. You see this? Like this one is good. This one will be trending. So I will choose this one. For example, I'm gonna copy this keyword Valentine's Day. So what I will do, I will go back to Amazon. I will open my Amazon account like this, open Amazon website, and I will search for products related to what's trending. I will search for Valentine Day, okay? And I will search for products related to what's trending, related to this, okay? Let me show you. Related to this keyword, Valentine's Day, okay? Go back to Amazon, search for Valentine's Day, and you will scroll down and you will find a lot of products that are here related to what's trending, okay? This one is coming soon. Valentine's Day is coming. You guys can see this. It's trending here. It starts going up the graph of this keyword. People, meaning that people started searching for this product, which is really good. Searching for topics and products related to this keyword. Okay, so I'm not choosing from my head the product or I'm doing research. I'm using Pinterest trend to see what's trending. Okay, I will go back to Amazon. So I want you to pay close attention in this step of choosing good product. Okay, so always choose product that got at least over 1,000 sales in the past month. Okay, so for example, like this one got over 10,000 people paid for this one in the past month, meaning that this one is good. Like this one is good for you to promote this one on Pinterest. Okay, I will scroll down to see if I can find more. I have Valentine's Day for kids. I have also this one. This one is good. You guys can see 30k people paid for this one in the past month. This one is a really good one also. Okay, also this one over 6,000 people paid for this one in the past month, meaning that this product that people are already buying those products. Okay, so let me find gift for Valentine's Day. We have also this one. You see this one? Over 10,000 people paid for this one in the past month. You have a lot of products. And like I said, always choose product that got at least over 1,000 sales in the past month. Okay? So let me see here, like this one here. Also this one is good. Over 3,000 people. So I will just scroll down to find good one here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one, guys. This one got over 10,000 sales in the past month. This one is good. Okay, I will choose this product. So you cannot choose product that you like or that you think it's gonna work. No, you need to do research. Go and use Pinterest trend and see what's trending. Okay, and choose products related to what's trending. This is how we can make commissions with Amazon affiliate marketing. So click on the product. You will be directly in this product page on Amazon. You guys can see what you will do next. You need to promote this product on Pinterest. So what we will do, we will go back to our Pinterest account. This one, go and open your Pinterest account and click over here on home feed and click on create pin. And here you go. you need a picture. You can go back to Amazon and click on this picture. So for me, I will use this picture. You guys can, so if you don't want to use this picture, you guys can go to Canva and you can edit this picture to make it your own picture, okay? So I'm showing you the idea, then you can go and improve it, okay? So I will click on save image and I will click on save, okay? I will go back to Pinterest and I will click over here and upload this picture, okay, about this product. Open, and here you go. We need a title, description, and your link. So what you will do, you will go back to Amazon and you will copy the title of this product, okay? So what we will do next, we will use AI to create a good title and a good description. So what we will do next, we will go to ChatGPT. Go and open your ChatGPT account like this. It's for free. If you don't have an account, go to Google, search for ChatGPT. Will help you to create a good titles for your affiliate product that you can use to that you can promote on Pinterest, and a good description and so much more. AI is very powerful and you should start using AI if you want to scale your affiliate marketing business. Just click here on message and ask him turn this product, okay, title into a Pinterest pin title, okay, and just put your Amazon product title here like this and click over here and you will get a good and an optimized title that you can use. And here you go, you see this, we have a good title here, okay, about Valentine's Day. It's coming. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this title here. Description, I will go back to ChatGPT and I will ask him make pin description from this title, okay, and he will create a perfect and optimized Pinterest pin description that you can use. You see this, and here you go. We'll give you also hashtags, which is really good. I will go back to Pinterest. Sorry guys, I will go back to this account here and I will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here, your Amazon affiliate link. So how we can get your affiliate link? Go back to this Amazon product page. You see this? What you will do, click here on get link and here you go. This is your affiliate link that you will use to promote this product to earn commissions. Copy this link like this and go back to Pinterest and put your link here. This is your affiliate link. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one for Amazon. Scroll down, you need to put here keywords or tags. You have two ways. You can go to ChatGPT and ask him to give you tags, or you can go back to your Pinterest trend account, to this one, Pinterest trend account, and you scroll down, you should see here related trends, okay? And copy those keywords. You see those keywords here, Valentine's Day, this one, Valentine's Day's gift, this one, copy all those keywords. I will copy, for example, this one, and go back to Pinterest, okay? You have the idea, go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here. After you finish, click on publish. And here you go. You just published your first Amazon affiliate link on Pinterest, and this is what I'm talking about. You guys can see Pinterest suggests this. Your pin about toys might be relevant to those growing trends. This one is, or people will start searching for this product on Pinterest. Do you see this? People already started promoting this product. You see this about Valentine Day, okay? Do you see? This is exactly how we can do research, and this is exactly how we can find product that people are searching for, okay? If you start using this method, you can start seeing commission and you will start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing using Pinterest, okay? It's super easy and simple. And you guys can see here, this is exactly how we can promote Amazon affiliate link on Pinterest. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address. For people who are serious and you want to take this business seriously and they want to learn more about this business, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. I do have an Amazon affiliate marketing course teach you everything you need to succeed in this business. You will get access to all my profitable product that I'm promoting with Amazon, how we can use Pinterest, how we can use YouTube Shorts, how we can use TikTok, how we can use Instagram to promote your Amazon affiliate links and earn commissions using free traffic, okay? And so much more. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments.